Good morning, Susie Dingle here, and I have come upon one of my favorite street side gardens in my neighborhood. It's so whimsical, and I just had to show it to you. They have been adding pieces to it over the last couple of years. It was just empty when they built the house a few years ago. And okay, so there's just like an average garden chair, right, that you could sit in and not fall down and go boom. But they have collected all this whimsical art in the form of mostly chairs and other furniture. I'll try and get a closer look without going on the property. Let's count them. Okay, that's one over there. Two. Oh, I like that a lot. I didn't see that one before. That's three. Four. It's an old school desk. Here's five. Bench is six. And then that white wickery chair over there is seven. Oh, and there may also be something else over there. It looks like a rotted, yeah, the remnants of an old chair. Wow, so fun. Yes, indeed it is. I'm just so enamored with this garden. It's just sweet and things are popping up all over the place. A wonderful mix of wild looking flowers. This here is Cerastium, snow and summer, and then of course our bluebells that are blooming about this time. I'm just tickled with how this has evolved. At first it didn't look like it was going to amount to much, but nature does much. Lupins. They love this. This is a slope, just a mini slope. Oh, there's a rock cairn down there. Those are pretty common, but still very nice to see. All right. Just had to show this to you. Been waiting all year to do it. I have my list. And their adjacent tiny skinny parking strip is also really nice. This is a spirea, very tough. Super nice. Oh, yeah. That's Cerastium montana. Bluet, mountain bluet. Cerastium? Did I say that right? I think so. Until next time, keep dreaming in the garden, even if it's someone else's garden and you're just walking by.